Hey everybody, Jed from Classic Auto Appraisal. We recently took on a state that had some beautiful classic Ford trucks, and we've been getting them ready for sale. And this is going to be the first one. It's this 46 panel. It had a frame-off restoration a few years ago, probably 4 years ago. The gentleman passed away. It wasn't driven much at all. We essentially put a new battery in and she fired up. It's wicked hot out here, so we're just gonna be doing everything inside today. Hopefully you can see okay in this light, but the interior is all done. Let's get some wood down, trying to protect the floor. There is the spare tire cover and ring. I know the light's not great in there. I can get better pictures, but just wanted to show it to you. The only blemish, I don't know if you can see it, is there's a small bubble in the paint right there, about the size of my fingertip. So yeah, he's got the full-size spare, and the cover and the ring is what you just saw in the interior. It's the old Flathead. Underneath is beautiful on this old panel. Yeah, the seats are in mint condition. You can see 127 miles. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty low. Come around, I'll show you the engine bay real quick. The engine does have some paint peeling on it. Hold on a sec, sorry. It was mechanically restored, but I don't think it was painted because you can see some rust on the heads where the paint is peeled off. I don't know if that's just from where it was stored, but she runs great. Any questions? Leave us a comment, message us, and please subscribe below. Thanks.